Malaysia's e-invoicing mandate is here. Invoices must now be generated in a structured digital format, validated through LHDN's E-Invoice platform, and they shall be assigned a unique identifier with QR traceability in real time. Under E-Invoice, invoices need verification of all 55 mandatory fields and real-time acknowledgement to be cleared by IRBM. High volumes, data mismatches, API failures can instantly break invoice clearance. Direct E-Invoice connectivity solves only one problem: submission. What's missing is control over pre-validation, exception handling, retries, quick approvals, invoice visibility, and audit readiness across industries. What your business needs is e-invoicing software that is completely ready for the regulatory needs of the LHDN e-invoicing laws and seamlessly connected to E-Invoice portal. This is exactly the environment ComplyRobo is built for, an ERP-ready e-invoicing solution designed to align with E-Invoice specifications, integrated seamlessly across enterprise operations. ComplyRobo, built for Malaysia, designed for e-invoicing at scale.